Did you know that you can reach millions of views and earn money in dollars using artificial intelligence on platforms like YouTube and TikTok? Before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. I've prepared this video with a lot of effort just for you. First, I've put together a few websites where you can generate AI images and videos completely for free. You can use all of these platforms without paying anything. For image generation, I personally use ImageFix and Google Labs. For videos, I go with Runway ML and Kling AI. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll open the ImageFix website. Define the image you want to create in your language, then ask ChatGPT to translate it into English. For example, I wanted a giant ship realistically crashing into a bridge. Of course, you can write your own version and have it translated. Then I copy the prompt that ChatGPT gives me and paste it into the ImageFix page. At the bottom, I choose the size I want and click Create to generate the image. Since you can create multiple prompts, you can open more tabs and generate various versions. I pasted the prompt and as you can see, my images are ready. You can select the one you like and click the download button at the bottom to save it. After downloading my image, I move on to the video creation part. For video generation, go to the Runway ML website. I already have an account, so I won't be signing up. If you don't have one yet, click Get Started at the top right. Then click Sign Up Free to create your account. Once you're logged in, click the button that says Start with Tool View instead. Then select the video section and upload the image you downloaded from ImageFix to the black area. Now we head back to ChatGPT. At this stage, I ask it to write a video prompt for Runway ML based on my image. For example, I asked it to make the ship crash into the bridge. You can also ask for a video prompt that fits the image you created. I copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the lower section on the Runway ML page. There, you can also adjust the video length and resolution. Click Generate and the video will be created. Here's the final video. Let's watch it. Sometimes your video might not turn out exactly the way you want. That's totally normal. It could be because of the prompt or the platform itself. Just keep trying different prompts until you get the result you want. You can post these kinds of videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels and easily reach millions of people. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more tutorials and AI content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video.